Good morning. Happy Friday to you. You've made it through another week. And what a great week it has been. I want to thank you for that. The manner today is really a pretty short and pretty fast one, and it is to hold the door open for others. So I know classrooms do that very differently. I talked about this the last time. Sometimes they have a person who that's their job in the classroom. They're the door holder for the day or maybe for the week. So they push the door open and they stand against the door and hold it open for everybody else. Sometimes you might push the door and actually just stand on the other side and hold it like this while everybody comes through. So it's up to you how you do that, but hold the door open for other people. It says a lot of things. It says, hey, I see you. It says, I value you, you're important. Have you noticed the same kind of theme through a lot of these that we talk about, that we value the person, they're important, we respect them, right? That's what it's all about, is showing that you respect them and that you value them as a person, as a human being walking behind you, and you're gonna show them that. There's a couple other ways you can do it too, and we talked about that last time, to where you push the door open and you run your hand along the door and you look behind you as they come up to make sure that they then put their hand on the door to start holding it for themselves as they walk out. And that way you can continue to walk and go to where you're going. So those are things that are very appropriate to, like when you're walking into a grocery store, if they don't have the automatic doors, or if you're going into any other building it might be. Doesn't matter where it's at, a restaurant, anything like that. But again, if you can pull the door and actually step aside and hold it open for somebody and let them go through, that is so respectful and so polite. That's what I would love to see our Beartooth Bears doing. Everywhere you go, out in the community, here at school, wherever it may be. Use that manner. Hold the door open for others. Pretty simple. It says, I care about you. I'm here with you. Please come on in. Have an awesome Friday, you guys. We'll talk to you later. Enjoy your weekends. See ya.